Awesome, great. Here, listen, you forgot something. I'm you from like 7 months ago. Don't worry about it. Blame it on the pandemic. Whatever you need to tell yourself, just you forgot to respond to one of your viewers.
Really clean up a little bit.
7 months ago.
I mean, what are you doing?
Yeah, okay, whatever. I already did. Take a look in the mirror. So how's things going in 2021, huh? 2020 was a real bitch, right? Things any better? I mean, it depends on your perspective of better, but I mean, overall, I think things are kind of turning around a little bit. I mean, either way, just, I kind of in the middle of something, so can we wrap this up? I hate to cut it short, but... What video was that again? Really? You don't remember what video? Man, you're just such a slacker. Listen, it's about gimbal settings, okay? Remember smooth B-roll, Ronin S settings in app? Yeah.
You know me, slacker.
He's busy, all right? I'll get it done. Whatever you need to tell yourself, just get the video done, okay? All right. Thanks. Gotta go. Bye.
Little does he know, I'm actually working on it right now.
When you're using the gimbal, the most important thing is honestly your control over your body. Well, it's been 7 months since I initially reviewed the Ronin S gimbal, and Jireh Productions reached out and they wanted to know what my app settings were. Now, I apologize if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I apologize even more for how long it's taken, but I've had some time with this equipment, and even though it's now 2021, my app settings haven't changed. Mode 1 I have set to pan and tilt follow, with follow speed, deadband, and sensitivity all set to medium. On the control side of this mode, the motion settings look like this. Medium deadband, max speed, and smoothness is set to high. Endpoints I'm leaving at 180 degrees for left and right. For tilt, deadband, speed, and smoothness, they are again medium, medium, and high respectively, with endpoints at 145 and 55 degrees. For the roll, I'm using the same settings with the endpoints here at 30 left and right. Now mode 2 I have in the pan follow mode, which eliminates the tilt, and you can see my settings here. The pan follow mode is where I find myself most often on most shoots to avoid unwanted shifting of the horizon, and mode 3 I have left on the 3D roll 360 with medium deadband, fast speed, and high smoothness. I found these settings to work for most every situation. Now, 2 tricks I have up my sleeve for the Ronin S just might be game changers for you. Did you know that there's 4 modes and not just 3? When you triple tap the M button on the grip, the gimbal will go into the flashlight mode. To get out of the flashlight mode, triple tap one more time and you're back in the previous mode. You're welcome. Now, trick number 2 is the right way to be in the underslung mode. For this one, the key is to keep the roll motor behind the camera. So pause your motors and flip the roll arm around 180 degrees and then re-engage the motor. This will give you much better range of motion in the underslung mode. Now, besides these tips, the biggest thing I can say is that what is absolutely important is your control over your body. Upper body strength is very important for this. Even though It's not a lot of weight. When you're doing it for a long time, it gets tiresome. Either way, I sincerely hope this video was helpful. And again, thank you very much, Jireh Productions, for your question. My app settings from 2020 to 2021 haven't changed.